Okay. I'm at wash number 21. Yeah, I'm at number 21. Sorry. I lost one of them the last wash I did. Couldn't find it. Was in the house, but I just couldn't find it. So now I found it and I'm actually at it back. So only one of them is at number 20 while the rest of them are at 21. I just want to explain that part, okay? Now, let's get back to the things. Here we go. So look at this thing, okay? This is number 21. Look at that stuff. This is totally destroyed, okay? I don't care what anybody says. That's totally destroyed. Look at that thing. Look at this one. Look at that one. This one was one of the ones that lasted a little bit longer, but this thing is destroyed. Look at that. That thing is totally destroyed. That thing is destroyed. Look at this. I wouldn't want to wear that stuff. So the reason why this camera is not focusing, I'm using a different camera. Sorry. That's why it's not focusing so good. So just be aware of that. And that's why it don't look so nice. And look at that one. Okay, and this is from the Brother machine. This is the machine. This is one I got when Brother sent me, not Brother, some company. A company sent it to me from that was printed from a Brother machine. All right, one of the Brother, whatever it is. If you watch the very first video for this whole washing experience, you'll see what machines they're from. I'm not going to go over that part. So you can watch the video. Now, here's the one from the Mimaki. All right. This one's still holding up good, but apart from, I know I can't really show you on this camera, but there it is right there. It's getting eat up right here. The rest of it's still holding up just fine. This piece right here is peeling. It's coming up right there, but that's no big of a deal. This one, holding on good. See, they're holding up good. The Mimaki one's holding up good apart from the whites for some reason. The whites seem to be coming up. All the whites pieces are coming up. Not exactly sure why. The white actually looks worse than every other color on here. All right, but everything else is fine. They're holding up good. The black's holding up good. The blues, they're wrinkly. Of course, they're supposed to look wrinkly, but the whites for some reason look like they're coming up all over the place. But beyond that, on the whole, this actually looks pretty good for how long it's been washed. Again, this is what, 20 washes? All right, 21 washes, sorry. This one is the one I couldn't find. So as you can see, it's one wash behind the rest of them, okay? It's no big deal, it's just one wash behind. Now, if you can see, this one's still holding up pretty decent, apart from the cracks in the black sections. The colors they're still not cracked. They're crinkly all over the place, but as you can see, they're still holding up just fine. This one, all the blacks here is all broken up. It's all cracked all over the place. The colors, oh, this one's starting to crack. I'm lying. There it is. It's starting to crack right here. The colors are starting to crack right there. All right, the green too. The green has a little bit of crack in it. See, they're just cracked. But as you can see, it still look. If you're not up close, you can't tell. But it's still the Mimaki. This one don't have any cracks in it. It's wrinkly, but don't have any cracks in it at all, which is actually pretty good. It actually held up pretty nice. Yep, no cracks in it. It's just the whites for some reason don't look like they have cracks, but the colors are fine. But the whites, I explained all of that. Not going back. This one now. This is not a method I'm using to print all my stuff, and this one is holding up really well, better than I thought. Oh, it's starting to break apart a little bit, like little tiny micro cracks starting to show up. Little tiny micro cracks. Little tiny one there. A little tiny one up in here. So. And then this thing is totally still solid. No cracks anywhere. Not even one. If it's there, I can't see it. Oh, so the colors start to fade. If you look at the angle, the colors start to fade a little bit. Not a whole lot, but it's starting to fade. But you looking at it straight on, you can't tell that the color's fading. But when you look at it at certain angles, you actually can see it's starting to fade. Hope you can see it, because again, my screen's small. And this is not even the camera I'm supposed to be using. The other camera I put it up because I'm going to use it somewhere else. I don't want to leave it behind, so I got it put up for now. All right, and that's what that looks like. All right. So till next time, peace.